Hello, welcome to my channel. I am Ameya and we are discussing about AVEVA PDMS structure applications and structure design, and in which today we will be discussing about creating a report, generating report from the existing structure. So what you will do is you will just select a base or structure which you want to create. This structure we have created in the previous videos. So I am just going to take some report from this. So you can go to utilities. In utilities you will find a report tab in which various options are there. You can create your own templates also. Whatever we will be using the existing database. So AVEVA is having some templates with their database. So I will go to modify options, and in modify options generally you will be directed to a reports folder which is existing in the database, in which you will go to templates folder. Okay, and we will use this .tmp files for all our report generation. Okay, it will be similar for pipes, it will be similar for your structures, panels, HVAC, everything. So we are going for the structures, so I will just select the steel MTO. Okay, open, and I will get the option for the steel which is I am creating. So first thing what you can do is selecting a new file so that existing file will not be affected. So I am giving structure underscore A1 as my name, and then you can have the hierarchy. That is very important, what you want to add in your MTO. By default world will be there. I will remove that world and I will add this base structure. Just click on that base and add current element. This base will be added into your hierarchy. You can say OK, a hierarchy is added, and then you can work on how you want to arrange the columns. Okay, so you can select a column, you can add new existing columns if you want. Okay, column layout, you want to change layouts of your column size and all those, all column width, justification, everything can be checked and edited. Okay, and then you can have modify columns, you can modify existing columns, you can sort those columns depending upon A to Z, Z to A, value 0 to bigger value to smaller value. All these things you can do. This will be mostly useful for the larger MTOs which you generally create in the industry. So you can always have the move option also. So let us say I want to move this framework option to second place or third place. That framework option will go to third place. I don't want to move it back again. You can move it back to first place. So that is the how you want to place your columns, once first, second, third, fourth. If you want to delete, you can delete those columns also. Okay, so those options are available, and then you can say apply. Apply, it will just confirm the report name, that is structure underscore A1, and it will confirm the hierarchy. Okay, once it is done, you can check whether it's applied or not. It will be override, so that means file is created, so don't overwrite it. Cancel, yes, and then you have to access the folder which is there in your system for the AVEVA PDMS. So you can go to I have installed in C drive, so you can go to the drive which we have installed. You will find the folder AVEVA directly. In AVEVA you will find plant. In plant you will find plant 12.0 SP4, that is the version, and in that you will find don't go to PDMS user, you will find those reports in the this folder itself. Okay, so if you don't find that, just click on the date modified, that will give you the recent file, or you can search in the search tab for the name which you are being created. So you can check there is no file name with this, so I am just selecting that, opening into a notepad. Okay, and that will give you the final format for your MTO for structures. Then you can select it, copy paste it wherever you want, and in Excel, in Word, in table format, however you want, you can just copy paste that and use it for your further applications. Okay, so this is how you can extract export data about the MTOs of structures. I hope this video is helpful. So if you like this content, do subscribe my channel. Don't forget to subscribe. Share this channel about this channel with your friends, those who are working in PDMS, and also check the various playlists which are available on my channel related to AVEVA PDMS. Thank you for joining.